I made my first $10,000 online, my first month typing messages on my phone. And I still have my first 3 purchases with all that money 4 years later. The first purchase were these AirPod Pros. 4 years ago, it was my second year in college, and I was actually rooming with 3 girl roommates. And let's just say girls gossip a lot, so it would be like 2, 3 a.m. at night. I would still hear my girl roommates giggling, screaming, shouting, laughing, which is fine. I mean, let them do them. But I wanted a way to actually focus when I was at my college apartment and work. So I got these AirPod Pros, which has noise cancellation. When I turn these bad boys on, no girls, no bachelorette on TV, nothing. So 1, I could actually get my work done. 2, I could actually go to sleep. And 3, most importantly, I don't have to have any negative gossip aura in my brain when I have these on. My next purchase were these Ray-Ban aviator sunglasses. Let's just say 4 years ago, I was also a frat boy. Yes, one of those guys. I was always so jealous of all my other frat boys with their rich Ray-Ban sunglasses, and I had like the $20 generic sunglasses from like those random sunglass huts. Terrible. So nobody ever said anything about those dusty sunglasses, but I always felt like judged and not up to worth with all my other frat boys. So cop one of these to get my status up, and I fit right in. Side note, I dropped that whole fraternity because they didn't support me trying to make money online. But now today, they're asking me for jobs, so you know, it all worked out. But I still have these sunglasses to fit in with them when we were still cool. And then my next purchase after that, JBL Extreme 2 speaker right here. Let's just say your boy wanted quality music while I'm in the shower. And I can say for sure, the sound is majestic, especially in the bathroom. But yeah, I guess deeper reason was back in high school, I wasn't really a cool kid. I never got invited to the parties. I was kind of just a nerd that got good grades, and I also was on the varsity basketball team. And so that was it. Like my whole life was just school and basketball. No fun, no play. And so I guess I got this JBL Extreme 2 so that I could throw my own parties and finally have some fun. Now, did it work out that way? No, because at the time 4 years ago, it was COVID, so it never worked out. But yeah, I guess that's the beauty about money is you finally get to buy all the things you wanted as a kid without having to ask your parents. And then also too, you get to like fulfill your deepest desires and the stuff you wanted most as a kid, but you never got. So for me now, it's not even about the amount of money in my bank account or making 100K a month online. It's about the experiences and relationships that this money gives me the opportunity to build and make. And so that's the real point of this video. I'm not trying to flex on you. This is not a flex, guys. You could probably cop all of this for like $700 combined. It's nothing. The point I'm trying to get across is if you have any limiting beliefs about money, oh, like rich people are immoral. Oh, that's just parents' money. Once you understand money is not a character trait. It's just a tool. Now you could use that tool for the good or the bad, totally up to you what you want to do. And so for me, I grew up with Filipino parents. They always told me, save, save, save. Don't spend a single dollar you don't need. And I guess with those beliefs, I always thought that rich people were just lucky or they were born into it or something like that. And it wasn't until I saw so many people online going from broke to earning a full-time income from home or making 10K a month online or even 100K a month online. It opened my eyes. Holy shit, there's a whole other world out there. And like, I don't have to be trapped in this middle-class rat race, stuck in a 9-to-5, to a boss I hate, to a manager breathing down my neck. Like there's more out there. And so that's when I took the leap of faith to start entrepreneurship and try to make my first dollar online. And to be quite frank, like my first year in business online, I failed. I didn't make a single dollar. And it wasn't until a whole year later, once I learned how to type messages on my phone and make money, like that's when I made my first $10,000 a month, my first month doing it. And that's when I got all these different purchases right here. So if you're interested in learning how I am able to make money online, just typing messages, I did just make a quick 5-minute video on YouTube, breaking down exactly how I'm making $3,000 a day. Again, just typing messages, and how you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just watch this video right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be crazy.